Listening to the BBC. Yes, Ukrainians, get out. What? Oh, yes. Sorry about that. That's what happens when you don't surrender. Oh, oh, sorry about that. Surrender, Ukraine. Anyway, time for dinner with Colonel Alpaka. Colonel Alpaka, hungry are you? Yes, comrade. What do we have to eat? Good ration, Borsh. And I see you brought some vodka along. Good, comrade. Oh, listening to the BBC. They threaten this and they threaten that. They can do nothing. Anyway, let's enjoy our meal. Just give this a taste. Really nice. My goreng. Hot and spicy noodles from Indonesia. Wow, I'm getting a chest burn because it's so hot. With lots of carrots and noodles. Look at it steaming away there. Very good. General Calderkov signing out.